Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to install OneDrive on your mobile device. Now let us begin. If you have an Android device, simply open up the Play Store. In context that you have an iOS, open up the App Store right now. Well, this right here is the interface of Play Store. I'm simply gonna click on the search button right here and type OneDrive. You guys do the same as well. Once you've typed OneDrive, simply hit on enter and search for the application. Well guys, this is it. This is the application that we guys are looking to install. Do note that I have already installed the application, that's why it's showing a button like this stating update, as I have not updated it. In your context, instead of update, there will be a button called install right here. Simply click on it and then the application will be installed in your device. Do note that if you want further information regarding this application, simply click on this icon right here. And likewise, instead of open, a button called as install will be available here. Simply click on it, and depending upon your network speed, it might take some time to download and install the application. And guys, that's it. That's how you install OneDrive on your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.